watching another video. We just made it here to the LA Convention Center. Tomorrow's actually Wekfest, a big car show going on. But you have to bring your car the day before. So that's why we're here the day before the show, dropping the car off. And we're gonna leave it here overnight. And tomorrow is the actual show. But this is what you gotta do before, the day before. Look guys, we just made it. We just parked. We parked right next to this little Honda and an RX-7, a super clean RX-7. Sheesh, this show's gonna be crazy, bro. There's so many cars. I see an R34 over there. S2000s. I feel like my car doesn't really fit in, guys. Everyone's kind of stanced out. And we got a meaty tire set up over here. But it still looks good under the light. Oh yeah, it does look a little tracked out over there. It looks pretty sick, not gonna lie. Under these lighting, like under this lighting. Alright guys, before we get too far into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to the homies at Pro Wax. Pro Wax makes a bunch of detailing products and car wash stuff. Today we're going to be using their ceramic detail spray on the GTR. It's the perfect thing to use after a car wash or before a show like this where you want the car to be super shiny. This is their ceramic detail. It does have ceramic in it, so it actually protects the paint, in this case the wrap. It's safe on all surfaces, so you can use it on wrap, on paint, on carbon fiber. We're gonna be coating the entire freaking car with this right now. Jordan is actually using it right now on the whole car. But yeah guys, it removes dirt, it removes dust, it removes fingerprints. And like I said, it's perfect after like a car wash, which we just did. We washed the car this morning, so it wasn't that dirty, but we're gonna top it off with this and it's gonna give it that extra shine. And also, it smells freaking good, bro. It smells really good. This shit smells like orange juice, bro. I'm about to drink it. It also has hydrophobic capabilities that help shear water off, just like ceramic coating. And yeah guys, I definitely recommend you guys grab one of these. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product right now when we're done detailing it. It's gonna be so freaking shiny. But yeah guys, huge shout out to my friends at Pro Wax. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description if you guys want to grab one of these bottles or any of their products that they have. And they're also offering a huge discount code for you guys. You guys get 20% off if you guys use code FindingNick at checkout. 20% off your entire cart. Yeah guys, this thing looks freaking beautiful, bro. Look how shiny that shit is. Carbon fiber, the wheels, the wrap. And this is actually paint, so even the paint is super shiny. And look at that, you can see the little sparkles in the paint. Sheesh. Sheesh, that carbon fiber. Damn, look who it is. Oh my god. Imagine. Look at who it is, the homie Brendan with his F80. That thing is slammed, bro. Oh my god, this thing is clean. Look at that shit, bro. That's a sick ass color too. It's like different, bro. I don't think I've ever seen that color. Wow, bro, this might be we haven't even looked around, but I was like, this might be one of the sickest cars here. And it honestly might be the sickest car here. Sheesh. My favorite F80. That hood, the color, the wheels, everything is perfect on that car. And look at this dude. Hella camber. Cleanest 2000, T37s, Subi, Evo. And then Jason's F80. Damn. 3 Series or M3?
3 Series. 28.
What happened to your lip? You broke it. God damn, this shit's crazy. Crazy ass diffuser. It's so sick. With the white interior. Bro, look at that NSX. 720. I don't know about the wheel setup, but I bet you the wheels are expensive. Is that paint or wrap? I don't even know what that is. This thing's nice. Look at that, BBS wheels. I love that color, bro. Look at this GTR. See this compared to my GTR? This shit has so much work done to it, bro. Holy crap, dude. That shit is crazy. Looks like a race car, bro. Imagine seeing this shit driving on the street. You would think it's like a freaking race car. Damn, that M4 is sick, bro. Liberty Walk. I feel like you don't really see wide body M4s. That thing is clean. Oh my god, look at the camper on this thing. Guys, by the way, I probably sound super sick. I've actually been sick the past couple days, so I haven't really vlogged in like a week. This is the first time out vlogging, and I don't feel sick no more, but I definitely sound like congested. Wow, bro, that red is crazy. Is that a nose tag? Is that the red? It might be, bro. That red is crazy, bro. My red does not look like this. This looks like candy red. Oh my god, that shit's crazy. What's up, bro? There's a whole mirror, look. Stock or what? Huh? Is it stock?
All stock.
This shit is crazy, guys. But I swear it's my favorite 350Z. I want one so bad. Look at this shit, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, that's crazy. He's actually the one who filmed me getting pulled over the other day. That was so sad.
I was too.
Oh.
Out of every GTR.
I know, out of everybody, I got pulled over. The wheel setup is so sick. How does it even fit, bro?
This one does pretty good. The other side rubs
I just
more.
touched this whole tire in 30 minutes.
Let me see.
Mark brought his Supra and he brought his R34. I have not seen this thing yet, but holy crap, bro. That thing is literally beautiful, bro. Look how shiny it is. The wheels, the paint, everything. I swear Mark has the cleanest cars. Look at this, green carbon fiber. I'm guessing it's like super freaking rare. Mark was telling me that like he has parts on this car that nobody has. Like there's the rarest parts you can find. So probably the wing. I think he said the mirrors are super expensive and super rare. Yeah, dude. Mark's crazy. He always has the craziest freaking things. Jordan, just take one of these real quick, bro. I need these.
Chrome right there.
Which ones? Oh yeah, these are hard. I've always wanted to build this wheel, guys. BBS LMs. This is like the exact finish. Everything. I wanted to do brush face, polish lip, red caps on my red E92. I've always wanted to do that. One day, I'll get another E92 and do that setup. Or an F80. This one might. It might take the best car here, I think. And then of course Mark brought his 2JZ Supra, that 412 built. This thing is sick too. Sheesh. Dude, Mark's been winning like best of show at every show he's been to. Every show. If he wins it again, that's like 3 in a row. Who puts the 2JZ in the new Supra? Nobody, bro. Might be like the only one besides like the Formula Drift drivers, but I think there's like a couple in Formula Drift, but this is like the only street legal one, I think. That thing is sick. Look at this. There's another R34, guys. Another one. Oh my god. It's white with Tiffany blue wheels. That shit's badass. An R33 right next to it. It's actually sick being here the day before, guys, because there's no one here. It's just us. Tomorrow's just gonna be packed. You can't even walk around. What do you think's under here, guys? What is it, Civic? Civic hatch. No?
Okay. Oh yeah.
I think it's a little Civic hatch, I think. Wow, bro, these things are so sick. A little E30 GTR. That's what it reminds me of. The first GTR, guys. Another GTR. There's actually a few GTRs here, bro. This thing's clean. Same trunk as me. Xavier Wolf's car, I think. I think it is, bro. Let's see. Oh, he took the stickers off? Unless he sold it. It still says Hollow Squad. I think it is his car. That body kit looks pretty sick. That he's right in front. Yeah, this thing is clean. TEs, cage.
I like that color.
It's cool he has a matching seat. I would have done 2 seats, but it still looks sick. The cage with the fire extinguisher. And the trunk, bro. I want that trunk for mine. Damn, that shit's clean.
Feels like I
I know, me too. Why are they so expensive, bro? They're still so expensive. That's 2000. M3, I think? I don't know. That shit is wide. I don't even think that's a body kit. I think they probably like custom or something. Sheesh, bro. Look at the rear wheel, dude. Holy crap, bro. That has to be like a 14-inch rim or something. 15, like AMSA's or something. It does look pretty good though. I like the diffuser. The color's pretty sick. The cage, obviously. I've always wanted that cage. Look what I just noticed too. I cracked the freaking windshield again. No way, bro. It's the second windshield now. Another 1,500 bucks from Nissan.
A few moments later.
Today is actually Wekfest, so we've made it to the actual show now. And you guys can see, it is a lot brighter than yesterday. These cars were not here yesterday though. Oh my god, this is actually the homie's M3. His Instagram is literally called Clean M3, and it is a clean ass M3. It's probably the cleanest M3. Look at the paint. Yeah, this is insane, bro. What I've always wanted to do to mine, but I never did it. Interior is super clean too. Wow, bro, that shit is so nice. Hi, friends. Hello. 10. You look undercover in here. Which is hard on. Guys, look at this 720, bro. It literally looks like, it looks so mean in that color, bro, and all the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber hood, benders, everything's carbon, bro. God damn, everything in there is Alcantara too. Look at the wing, how big it is. Look at that over there. This Ferrari. That's the GT3 kit, I think, huh? Yeah. The wide body one? Race kit?
That's why it looks so fucking hard.
That shit's crazy. Those wheels are so sick. Damn, bro. Under these lights, too, like, that makes all the cars look so shiny. God damn, I love my car, bro. Guys, I want to get rid of the red, but at the same time, I really don't. Like, this shit just looks so good in red. Damn, guys, look, there's another one. The first GTR, bro. Damn, this shit is clean. Caro seats. Homies E92. One of my favorite, if not my favorite E92, bro. This shit is literally perfect. And look at this Corvette. God damn, bro. Look how wide that shit is, bro. That shit is crazy, Jordan.
It's hard, homie. Like,
You would take this?
Yes.
This or Brandon's F80 though?
Oh, that's hard.
Jordan really wants the Corvette and he also really wants the F80. You can't
But
choose.
like this stands
Yeah,
out.
this
like
one's insane, bro. Probably the nicest Corvette I've seen. The colors, the wheels, everything. God damn, bro. Damn, look what I found. This is probably the biggest car here. Dude, this is literally exactly what I want, guys. If I got a Jeep Gladiator, it's gonna look just like this. Holy crap, bro, those wheels are huge. Bro, this thing is so sick. I want it. I want one. I need one. What do you guys think? This or F80? This is a super hard choice. Look, I can still be in car shows too. He's in a car show, bro, in a Jeep. Why are all these cars so clean, huh?
But it's the lighting. There's no way. Not even the.
It's the lighting?
That's not scratchy.
You can like lick his engine bay, bro. That's how clean it is. That exhaust is insane, dude. I've never seen an exhaust like that in my life. What kind of exhaust is that? This body kit, bro. This body kit is crazy too. Look at the screen.
I see that shit.
Tesla screen?
Can't you buy it?
Yeah, I could buy it, but I don't really like it. What do you guys think about the screen? I feel like it's kind of like riced out, kind of. I don't know.
I mean, you don't have anything done besides that.
Actually insane how clean these cars are. Like, look at this engine bay, bro. No wires, nothing, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, that cage is crazy, huh? Look at this racing seats in the back. Oh, the detail, huh?
They really did that. That's sick.
Yeah, the detail in this car is actually insane. Look at the interior, bro. 4 racing seats.
Oh
with
yeah,
a
that's what you
full
needed.
cage.
That's what you need right there.
Oh, bro, that looks so clean. Yeah, see, I gotta do something like that one. Holy shit. With a gold turbo.
Bro, that's hard.
A bust down turbo?
That's fucking sick.
Alright guys, well, I haven't been vlogging, really. Jordan's getting mad at me. He's slack at it. I really haven't been vlogging, but it's already over and all the cars are about to roll out. It's kind of like the best part because everyone gets to start up their cars. In love with the Corvette.
This shit is hard.
Look at the back, bro, how wide this shit is.
That shit is hard.
Both of them are hard. This thing sounds sick. God damn, that shit is loud, bro. And just like that, the show is over, guys. My bad, I did not film as much as I should have, but at least we got to see some of the cars yesterday when I dropped off my car. And I also didn't eat all day today, so I was just being lazy. I didn't want to pick up the camera, but the show was pretty cool. I just wanted to film some of my favorite cars that I've seen. That Ferrari's so sick.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights.